Good morning, Bryan Middle and High School. Today is Tuesday, March 13th. Are you looking for a job this spring or summer? Check out the bulletin board by the high school office for any area business that is looking to hire.
Attention students, if you are somebody who likes to explore the different cultures of the world, the Rotary Club is sponsoring a World Community Workshop that will study the history, customs, economic, and political issues of Vietnam, exploring the past and experiencing the now.
The event will be held at the Defiance College from Thursday, May 10th to Saturday, May 12th. If you are interested in expanding your cultural knowledge in a world that is rapidly diversifying, please see Mr. Niese by Friday, March 23rd to apply.
Drivers, please remember, when pedestrians are in crosswalks, you must yield and/or stop for them. You are not permitted to roll through crosswalks as pedestrians are walking through and/or exiting the crosswalk.
There will be no middle school FCA Huddle meeting tomorrow morning. We will meet next Wednesday at 7:35 a.m.
Tickets are on sale in the athletic office for the 35th annual 4-County All-Star Cage Classic to be played on Friday, April 6th. That's my birthday, at Bryan High School. From our school, Allye Minor, Sidney Lamberson, Zhane, Cupp, and Peyton Lamberson will be playing. The tickets are $5 and the proceeds go to the Special Olympics. Support our players and the Special Olympics.
There will be a slam dunk contest and a 3-point shoot-off contest held between the girls and the boys all-star games. Come watch the fun. Buy your tickets early.
Go Bears or go home!